to Valensayo screen. Boy Silo at the post, countered by Ragos, crossword pass to Bondok. Bondok sides it up. Bondok attacks, bombs, reverse lays. No good na kung ano yung Evangelista. Evangelista, labas ang konti. Evangelista Peralta. Peralta, bombs, shots, block. Bondok with the board. Bondok, side step yung move. To Boy Silo attacks, Bondok underneath. Valensayo, side step. At the middle. Here's Boy Silo, going good. Boy Silo, reverse lay. Good pa rin. Tabigan na bola, napunta kay Peralta.
Ang galing ni ano.
Bondok. Valensayo attacks. Valensayo spins. Bombs. Shots. 2 points and a foul. Who's about Rick? Here's the number to Celedonio. Celedonio fakes. Shots. Fadeaways. 2 points. But at the end, it's Paulito. Valensayo to Boy Silo. Bombs. Guarded by Celedonio. Binigay Bondok. Binigay Sebastian, lose the ball. Battle for ball. Napunta kay Bondok. Bondok. Hail Mary shot. No good. Evangelista underneath. Shots. No good. Here comes Bondok. Bondok down. Side steps. Lays it up. And on a long 3. Air ball. Out of bounds. Substitution. Yapo in. Boy Silo out. Shots. 2 points. Bola vai. Celedonio. Here comes Simbao. Ball by Peralta. Binigay kay Decano. Screen. Decano attacks. Ball by Peralta. Binigay kay Bondok. Valensayo sa gitna. Binigay kay Yambao. One-legged jumper. 2 points. Wala Yambao. Peralta. Crossword pass. Stolen by Decano na namalo. Dahil si Peralta. Decano. Sean Stanley. Out of bounds. The ball goes to same ball. 19 seconds to shoot. At the post. Here's Evangelista. Bombs. Evangelista spin. Lose the ball. Out of bounds. And Chavez, the Celedonio face. Celedonio shots over. No good. Napunta kay Yambao. Shots backs it. No good. Celedonio with the ball. Celedonio binigay kay Chavez. 3 ball. Very good. Valensayo with the board. Valensayo. Ilaw po. Valensayo attacks. 102 points. Dahil po. Ulit yan eh. Peralta, screen for Celedonio. Evangelista, di discard para sa mga Azul. Binigay kay Chavez and Orme. Shots so good. Peralta underneath shot. 2 points. Para Peralta. 50-41, 7 minutes and 30 on the clock. Bondok, Carmen Celedonio. Bondok pa rin. Bondok, di discard. Dancing with Celedonio, but there's a whistle. Double green ball. Ang itinawa, turnover. Celedonio. Ano po? Peralta, ladies got it. Peralta, long goes teammates. Peralta takes a long one. No good. The ball goes to Valensayo face. Valensayo to Decano. Underneath shot. No good. Celedonio with the board. Celedonio labas ng konti. Binigay Peralta. Peralta attacks out of middle. Shot, size, every move. 2 points. Para Peralta. Here comes Yambao at the middle, lose the ball. Celedonio with the ball. Blocked by Yambao underneath shot. Peralta spins the defender at the middle. Shot. Short. Napunta kay Celedonio. Celedonio at the middle. Fadeaway good. Celedonio ulit. Face. Binigay Chavez. Chavez shots. No good. Nakabigyan na po. Napunta kay Valensayo. 2 points. Para Valensayo. Celedonio to Peralta. Peralta to Evangelista. Size it up. At the middle, lose the ball. They got underneath. Shot. Blocked by Celedonio. 2 points. Para Peralta. Peralta 102 points. Para Peralta. 7-point lead by the Black Shirts. 54-47. Service abroad para sa RDP. Peralta. Peralta, size 7 move. Peralta, Hail Mary shot, they're good. Boysino with the ball. Yambao, shot. Debaka sa base. Shots, backs in, they're good. Boysino with the ball. Bigay Valensayo. Valensayo. Screen. Di ka na, may Valensayo pa rin. Lose the ball, Boysino. Boysino at the middle, lazy rock. Backs it 2 points. Debaka sa air post. Carvin got a pump. Spin. Shots. There's over the Cristobal back to Miranda. Miranda. Screen. Miranda step back. Cristobal. Debaka sa gitna. Rago shot. Backs it very good. They got a board. They got a spin. Shots. They're good. Dahil Polisa. Valensayo spins on Romero to watch. Miranda, long three. No good. Valensayo with the ball. Binigay Boysino. Boysino shot. 18-footer, no good. Loose ball foul. Valensayo. Valensayo. Binigay Boysino. Boysino attacks. Boysino pass. Boysino ball. Offensive foul. Bondo. Orchestrating traffic para sa Waru. Bondo. Step back, green ball incoming, shot, so good. Topping ang bola ako ng Decano. Decano at the middle, Decano. Dilabas ang bola. Decano pa rin, Decano. Good goal, Bondo, kumalis tayo. Peralta. Peralta, underneath, here's the Evangelista shot. That's it, 2 points para Evangelista. Valensayo, serving the ball para sa Waru, binigay ng Bondo. Bondo, kano kay Peralta, back to Valensayo. Valensayo takes his time. 12 seconds to shoot. Valensayo looks the ball, napunta kay Bondo. 8 seconds to shoot, shot, no good. Topping ng ball, napunta kay Valensayo attack, size 7 move, binigay ng Boysino. 20-footer, no good. Peralta, shots. 2 points para kay Peralta. Peralta, Carvin Valensayo, Peralta attacks, steps on the gas, shot, 100, Boysino with the board. Boysino, cross-court pass to Valensayo. Takes his time. Carvin Peralta, Valensayo, Ilo mo. Valensayo, Boysino attacks on the middle, lays it around, 2 points. Here comes Cristobal, binigay kay Peralta shots, so good. Abira mo lang Cristobal shots. But there's a whistle. Bondo loses time. 15 seconds to shoot. Bondo attacks. Bondo, binigay Decano sa corner. Fadeaway three. No good. Decano is with ball. Decano lose the ball. Decano underneath. No good. Decano pa rin. Decano. Binigay Valensayo base. Valensayo. 12 seconds to shoot. Valensayo. Lose the ball. Napunta down. The ball goes to Bamaru. Bondo. From way downtown. Tabi ng ball. There's a foul. Pushing foul call on jersey number 5, Ragos. His second personal foul. Barney, the penalty. Valensayo, Carvin Peralta. Valensayo. 5 seconds to shoot. Valensayo, Boysino attacks out of the middle, lose the ball, but there's a Evangelista. 2 points. 60-55, 5-point lead. Bondo, Carveragos, binigay kay Boysino, Carveragos, Boysino, but there's a whistle, and the board, takes the ball to win, Boysino shots, bali, out of bounds, for a goal. 46 seconds on the game clock. Bondo, binigay Decano. Tegano, Garbe Ragos, Tegano, service the ball, Tegano attacks, Adamila spins, lose the ball, Ragos, Adamila, lose, knocking in the bola. Habang na balik tayo. Kay Boy Silo. Boy Silo. 15 seconds to shoot. Balik tayo. Lose the ball, Ragos. Ragos, going by balik tayo. 15 seconds. End of the bowling. Best player of the game, Decano.
Mario Francisco, Santos Villas Camp, may mga sa YMCMB. Santos pa rin, fake, Serrano underneath. Serrano.
Oh!
Francisco,
Ayan na!
Tumonte ngayon, shot, 2 points, Mario ngayon.
You start na!
Santos to Serrano at the middle. Serrano, Villas Camp, Serrano stops, good for his teammates, Santos. Got a bit of it, Santos. Santos, step back 2. Over Monte Leon, no good. But first Francisco. Hindi na with Santos friend. Jonathan Santos to Nieves, out of post. Nieves to Santos. Ian fast. That's it again. Side step and move to the face. No good. Santos underneath 2 points.
Ba't nalalamunan yun yan?
Francisco to Monte Leon at the post. Got it by Nieves. Pop, spin, shot.
Wala si Laja?
15-10 natin na lang, 5.3 pa yung White Shirts. Here comes Santos. Santos, may daan ang bola, ano pa? Lose the ball. Napunta kay Serrano. No good, Gobis with the board. Gobis, crossbar pass to Francisco. To Ramirez to Gobis. Gobis stops, pops, 2 points.
Ito na.
And the ball shares the ball with another Santos. 3-1 no good. Davis on the way to the layup. No good. Serrano at the corner. Shots. 2 points. Wow, Serrano.
Wala si Laja.
Out of bounds. Robbins out of both screens. Big shots. 2 points. Wow, Robbins. Santos. Donald Santos. Nieves out of bounds. Got away with the Nieves. Pops. Lose the ball. Out of bounds.